In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about a free online photo editor, which is called iPiccy. So it's probably called iPiccy or something like that. But anyway, it's a free online editor. You can find it just by searching into Google. You can access in various links, but in my opinion, this one here gets the job done, gets really where you want to go, which is the free online image editor. No download, no installation, no registration required. You can just get started quickly if you need to edit a photo. So I think it's a really good and useful tool that you can use anytime online. So you start by opening an image, click on open, select an image from your computer, and it's going to be already in there. You can also drag and drop it, but also other possibilities we're going to see later. You can see it's inside the browser, so it runs entirely in the browser, and that's the interface right here. Really simple, easy to understand. You can go here at the top, you can access the photo library. You can build your photo library by adding images in here, and then you can use the photo library, or you can just open an image just like I've done. And once you're finished, you can just save it to your photo library or into your computer. So it's really powerful editor because it has a lot of tools like basic tools like rotating or cropping, resizing. You can check the resolution of your image. You can reduce the resolution. You can make some adjustments, quick adjustments, and the tools are really easy to access there on the left. And then you can work with the color correction, exposure, hue, saturation, etc. You can also go back and forth using Ctrl Z, and the arrows on the top there, and there are some other tools in the top there, and all the others are on the left side. So we can find simple effects, simple adjustments like hue, saturation, and exposure. And then you have advanced like curves and like more advanced tools that we usually find like in Photoshop. So it's a free alternative to Photoshop, much like Canva or Pixlr, etc. But I think this one looks really nice, really quick, easy to use. You can just click on a command, apply a filter. If you like it, you can approve. Otherwise, you delete, you cancel, and then you go back. So you can apply, you can test. Here you can see a preview of what's happening. You can change the parameters real quick, and then you have like some more basic and some more complex set of effects. Like you can apply blurriness, depth of field effects, where there's really a lot of stuff in here, like artistic filters, again, like in Photoshop. And then you can work in photo retouching, like if you want to improve a face or let's say a model or something like that, you can use this for to do makeup, so things like that. And then you have layers just like in Photoshop. And let me just discard. So always is gonna ask you if you want to accept or not the changes. And then you have fabric, so you can simulate um, patterns like paper or wood. And then you have lights, so you have this playful game of lights. And again, you can adjust this if you want. You can adjust the fade, the rotation. You can also have some different zoom on the bottom. You have some zoom tools. So you can zoom in, zoom out. You can define a specific zoom. You can click to expand at the maximum, or you can set it 1:1. So the actual size, so you can see the actual pixels. And this is a bigger than the screen because it's a 4K image. So, and well, when you're ready, you can save, but remember just to apply the last command. Otherwise, it won't let you save. And there you go. So I think it's so simple, so straightforward. The interface is so clean that it's really simple to use. Okay, let's save. And here you can save JPEG or PNG, and you can change the name if you want. You can change the quality, the compression, and you can be even more specific with that. And There's the size. So depending on the size you want, you can adjust the compression of the image, and then just choose a folder or right click, create a new folder. I'm gonna create a new folder right here. It's gonna be called iPiccy. Double click, save, and that's it. So easy to get in, get out, adjust your image, modify your image. These are the final parameters of the image, and then I can close and open the photo library. I can continue to edit this photo. I can close the photo, start with another one. So if I click in there with the arrow, instead of opening, I can choose to open from my computer, from the web, from the webcam of my computer. I can copy and paste from the clipboard. I can drag and drop directly into the gray area. And so you have many options to start. And then you can also start from 0. So you can set your own dimension here or resolution. So we can go with a full HD 1920 times 1080. We can choose a transparent canvas. So we're gonna have a transparent background, or we can choose a color. Let's use this. So this is basically an empty space, doesn't have anything. So, well, it doesn't really work like this. So if I apply some filters here, they will not show up because these are intended to work with the actual images. So maybe some of these, there you go. So vignetting, for example, it works also with transparent background, but most of those you need actual images, or you can build like layers, so you can do photo montages, etc., etc. So just continue to explore here. You have a lot of stuff to check. Make sure you check that all because there is a lot of stuff in here. And if you're interested, we can create more videos. We can perhaps create also a small video course. But please subscribe and let us know with the comments if you like this video guide, if you want to see more, if you enjoyed, and if you did, please also join the channel to support us, to thank us, to help us make more video courses and video guides in all of these free application. And also, if you're interested in Photoshop or a similar application, you can check Canva, you can check Pixlr. We already have other video courses on graphic design, photo editing in the channel. So just search in the channel what you're looking for. Here you can also switch the darkness if you want a dark interface. And for the full screen, you need to log in with an email or with a Facebook account. And you find those buttons there on the extreme left of the interface. So I guess we cover everything, the basic introduction here. And just let us know if you want to know more, if you want us to go more in depth into this. And I think this will be enough for an introductory video guide. So thanks for watching. Again, subscribe to stay updated. Join the channel to support us, and see you in the next video guide.